some facts and figures because we like to educate folks. Did you know that 7 billion cookies are eaten each year in the United States?
It does not surprise me. I am a part of that number.
Can you guess which cookie is America's favorite?
I would guess the chocolate chip cookie.
I mean, you're a smart lady. You are a smart lady.
I try. Yes. Yeah. Whether you like your cookie chewy, gooey, or crispy and crunchy, the chocolate chip cookie is America's sweet treat. So joining us to show you how to make the perfect chocolate chip cookie are the owners of Taylor Chip, Sara and Doug Taylor. So welcome to New York Living.
Thank you for having us.
Very excited to be here.
This is very exciting for me.
Oh my goodness.
My stomach is literally growling. Before you show us how to make the perfect chocolate chip cookie, you two have a very sweet story about Taylor Chip.
Yeah.
We do.
Spill it. Spill the beans. Tell us.
So when we were dating, something fun for Dougie and I to do, we would bake chocolate chip cookies together. I call him Dougie.
You can call me Dougie. I think my LinkedIn says Dougie. So
Oh, that's cute.
You can call him Dougie too.
Okay, sorry.
yeah.
But he was eating these cookies and they had Crisco in them, and I grew up in a more natural home, and I'm like, you can't eat Crisco-based cookies. So we took his friend's mom's recipe and we subbed the Crisco for butter. Well, they turned out super flat.
It did not work.
And so we were dating, and something fun to do in the evenings, we're like, let's try recreating this recipe and making a big, dense, gooey, chewy, golden brown crunch chocolate chip cookie.
All with better for you ingredients. And so it took over a year of just like hanging out, and there was really no point beside it besides just to hang out and
fall in love and eat chocolate chip cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies as you
really
do.
nothing better.
And that must have been really hard for your friends and families who had to be the taste testers.
They still hate us.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sure they do. But what makes your cookies different than other chocolate chip cookies?
So we're from Lancaster, PA, so one of the richest farmlands in the country. We use local whenever we can, but also our cookies, the way we did it, because we didn't know any better, they still rise thick like that, but we do a long time low temperature bake, almost like sous vide method type of thing, which is completely different from any other cookie in the world. So a lot of cookies use that fan speed and the hot heat to get them to rise, and so it's all for us, it's all in the leavening, which creates this really nice golden brown shell on the outside and keeps them nice and gooey all the way through.
And makes the flavor better too.
Hold up. You're throwing around words like sous vide. Are you secretly like culinary artistes? Do you have?
Not at all.
I used to be a drummer. And so
Get out of town. Now he's beating eggs.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
Yes.
So what does make the perfect chocolate chip cookie, though? Is that it? You think that's the secret sauce?
Well, I mean, I also think like how it's gooey on the inside and it's moist, it's not dry. There's that golden brown crunch crisp. It's not crispy. Loads of chocolate chips, and again, like Dougie said, the quality ingredients that we're using. And local chocolate, we use Wilbur chocolate.
Excuse
I don't know if you've ever heard
you.
of Wilbur, but
Yes, I spent some time in Pennsylvania,
Yeah.
so I'm familiar. You know, it would be a shame if we didn't get involved.
I mean, seriously.
Can we make some cookies?
Yes, let's make
do
some
it.
cookies.
All right.
All right. So, who wants to put in the eggs and the butter and the sugar?
I'm close.
Okay.
Okay.
This in here?
Yep, that in there.
Which order?
It doesn't matter.
You're all good to go.
Okay.
And this is all your own creation. This is
It's
your
all our own recipe.
100%.
It took a year.
Oh, you can even add the butter too.
Oh, add the butter.
Yeah, you have to put it.
Oh, lock it.
Yeah,
There
Can I
we go.
add the butter?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
add the butter.
Unsalted. Okay.
It is unsalted. Yep.
Unsalted, yep. And so Taylor Chip actually was a complete accident in the company.
Oh.
TaylorChip.com was our wedding registry.
Stop it right now.
And then we made
Why?
big cookies. Back in 2017, big cookies weren't really a thing. We made them to fit into CD sleeves, and they were our wedding favors.
We didn't have money.
Yeah, we didn't
So,
have any
now
money.
you do.
So.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Well, he might still be drumming. We have no idea.
Yeah.
Okay, so I had to stop the kitchen
was loud.
because it was
So
Okay.
now you can put in the sugar, but maybe you want to stop it first.
Okay, fine.
Yep. You
If
can
you
put in the
insist.
sugar and the flour. Do you want me to?
Yeah, it's fine. Nah, we're good. We're good. We're good.
Are you both bakers?
Oh. Oh, I
You
bake.
bake? Yeah.
Big bakers, yeah. And the
No, I'm not. I
beans?
wouldn't say I'm a big baker, but I'd like to bake. I
I-
used to bake all the time before kids. Shockingly.
I make chocolate chip cookies, but I know they are not nearly as delectable as these.
Okay.
these
I mean, everybody
recipe.
loves a good chocolate chip.
Oh my gosh. Yes.
And then the chips, and then all the rest. And you say you bake them low.
Yeah, a low temperature.
How low are we
long
talking?
time.
I think low enough for me to
we
pick
got
up
can't
some
tell us.
secrets,
Yeah,
yeah.
You can't tell us.
There
They
are
can't
some
tell us.
secrets around
There are
here.
some secrets, yes.
All right, you gotta keep.
Look at this. Where's the camera for the close-up? Can someone see the pure deliciousness inside this
I can't wait
cookie?
that long. I have to get into
See
this
how
right
thick
now.
that
Look at
is?
this.
Yes.
This is like...
No one can see this? Oh, look.
Oh my God.
Where's my camera?
It's the overhead camera.
All right.
Do you still like the taste of
Oh,
your
are you
own
kidding
cookie?
me?
We love it.
I've been trying to get a six-pack for years, and it's going to be years until I get one. So,
Oh my
Never
goodness,
gonna
this is
happen.
delicious.
Holy smokes.
yeah.
Thank you both for meeting
Yes.
and spending your time perfecting a cookie.
Absolutely.
And you can get them shipped to you, but we're also on DoorDash in the city and then in 81 cities, and then we're going into Stuart Leonard's as well.
Oh, congratulations on that.
Yeah.
I'll meet you at Stu's.
There you
That's
go.
where I go grocery
There you go.
shopping.
Awesome. So we'll
Delicious.
be there.
All
Thank
right,
you all.
Fantastic.
All right.
Thank you. Congratulations on
Thank you.
all the things.
Yeah.
And you heard the man. Go to taylorchip.com.
Oh my goodness. So delicious.